Think you're smart? Let's test that. Unscramble these words before time runs out. And trust me, it gets harder with every round. Round 1, easy. Let's start easy. Get ready. Question 1. Guess this car brand. Alfa Romeo is the answer. Question 2. An ancient wonder. It's pyramid. Question 3. The striped jungle hunter. The correct answer is tiger. Question 4. Sweet treat we all love. The answer is chocolate. Question 5. This one might make you hungry. Pizza is the answer. Too easy. Don't relax. It's about to get harder. Round 2, medium. Next round starts now. Focus. Question 6. Legendary American car brand. Ford is the answer. Question 7. A tool to see distant objects. It's telescope. Question 8. Genius of the ocean. The correct answer is dolphin. Question 9. Something you can't live without. The answer is oxygen. Question 10. The hardest natural substance on Earth. It's diamond. If you got all of these, you're doing well. But the next round, most people fail. Round 3, hard. Let's level up. Question 11. High-performance luxury brand. It's Porsche. Question 12. A software giant. It's Microsoft. Question 13. Heavy and huge land animal. The correct answer is elephant. Question 14. building block of everything. That's atom. Question 15, car brand named after a predator. Jaguar is the name. All right, now it gets serious. Only sharp minds will survive this round. Round 4, expert. Stay focused, don't blink. Question 16, master of camouflage. The answer is chameleon. Question 17, it has 3 hearts and blue blood. It's octopus. Question 18, a programming language or an animal. The correct answer is Python. Question 19, a cloud of space dust. The answer is nebula. Question 20, largest creature of the Earth. The answer is whale. Final round, don't mess this up. These are the hardest ones. Round 5, final boss. Question 21, fastest car brand. The answer is Bugatti. Question 22, force that keeps you grounded. It's gravity. Question 23, dangerous stinging creature. The answer is scorpion. Question 24, famous art masterpiece. Mona Lisa is the answer. Question 25, Italian luxury car. The correct answer is Maserati. So, how many did you get right? Be honest, comment your score below. If you got more than 20, you're officially a genius. And don't forget to subscribe for more challenges.